Exam day is finally here, guys. Remember, if you don't pass, you don't graduate. Good luck. You're going to pass this time, you're right. Today we explored two different forms of studying. As you can tell by Steve Chow's body language, he is not stressed. Look at him breeze through these problems. No hesitation, no second guessing, just pure confidence. Now let's take a look at exactly how he studied. Now Steve studied in a group. This allows for better knowledge retention and discourages second guessing due to the group environment and discussion. Someone in the group decides that it may be time for a quick break.
Hey guys, it's been like an hour and a half. Like, you guys want to take a study break? That's a promise.
The practice of taking breaks allows the students to give their brain a rest, and this reduces stress associated with studying. This was how Steve Chow managed some of his studying before the exam. Now for our other student, Greg Stevens. You can already start to note key differences between the two. Horrible arithmetic skills and a general neglect of portraying confidence. Due to his body language, it is easy to see the stress, second guessing, and lack of understanding that he portrays. Now let's see how Greg had prepared for this exam and what led to this outcome. This is how Greg studied. He tried to cram a lot of studying in later in the evening. This is a problem. As you can see here, Greg ended up getting sidetracked with procrastination, easy to do when studying alone. A short film of How You Study Matters.